Today, I'm sharing exactly what I've taught hundreds of seniors who saw measurable improvement in their strength, mobility, and energy within weeks. Here's what the supplement industry doesn't want you to know. The most powerful muscle-building foods aren't powders, shakes, or pills. They're real foods sitting in your grocery store right now, many costing under $1. And here's the shocking part. These foods are scientifically proven to build muscle better than most protein powders. Yet, almost no one over 60 is eating them. In the next few minutes, I'll share 7 of these foods, plus simple tricks to prepare them so they actually taste good and work with your body's natural repair cycle. And the last food on this list, the cheapest of them all, might surprise you the most. Stay with me until the very end, because I'm not just giving you a list of foods. I'll show you how to combine them into simple, affordable meals that can help you rebuild muscle, regain stability, and feel younger than you have in years. These are the exact foods I've seen transform lives. Seniors who went from struggling to stand up to confidently walking, lifting, and living life again. Imagine yourself 3 months from now, climbing stairs without holding the railing, carrying groceries with ease, feeling proud of your progress. That's what we're working toward together. Before we get into the first food, tell me in the comments, how many days a week do you eat protein-rich foods like eggs, beans, or fish? I read every single comment, and your answer helps me create better tips for you. When you share, you're helping other seniors who might be struggling realize they're not alone, and you might even inspire someone else to start their journey today. Let's start with the food that shocks most people: sardines. Don't scroll away yet. These little fish might just be your new best friend for muscle strength. 1 can of sardines provides over 20 grams of complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need. They're also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which research shows can help reduce inflammation, one of the hidden causes of age-related muscle loss. Think of inflammation like a slow fire smoldering inside your muscles. Sardines help put that fire out, giving your muscles a chance to grow stronger again. If you don't love the taste, mash them with avocado and lemon juice on whole grain toast. This simple recipe completely transforms their flavor and adds healthy fats for even better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate fatty fish like sardines at least 2 weeks a week maintained stronger grip strength and walking speed over 3 years compared to those who didn't. Next time you're at the store, grab a can. It costs under $2 and can literally help protect your independence. Be honest, when was the last time you ate sardines? Type yes if you love them, no if you can't stand them, or never if you've never tried them. You will be surprised how many seniors in the comments are trying them for the first time. Your answer might inspire someone else to give it a shot. Next up is a food you probably already have in your fridge, but you might be eating it at the wrong time. Cottage cheese is one of the most powerful tools for rebuilding muscle after 60. 1 cup of cottage cheese packs about 24 grams of protein, but here's the secret. Most of that protein is casein, a slow digesting protein that releases amino acids steadily for hours. This is crucial for seniors because muscles repair while you sleep. Eating cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before bed can fuel your body's overnight repair process, helping you wake up stronger instead of weaker. Add berries or a drizzle of honey for taste, and you have a bedtime snack that works like a gentle muscle builder while you rest. Research in the British Journal of Nutrition shows that seniors who consume casein-rich foods before bed see greater muscle protein synthesis overnight compared to those who skip evening protein. Imagine repairing your muscles while you sleep. This one change can mean fewer aches, better balance, and more energy in the morning. Do you already eat cottage cheese? And if so, when? Morning, afternoon, or at night? Tell me in the comments below. You might discover that many seniors in this community have already made it their bedtime habit and are seeing results. Your comment might inspire someone else to give it a try tonight. If you've never tried it before bed, promise yourself to try it just once this week and come back and tell us how you felt the next morning. Food number 3 is one that has been a staple in the diets of the longest living populations on Earth: lentils. They're one of the cheapest and most powerful plant-based ways to keep your muscles strong after 60. 1 cup of cooked lentils give you about 18 grams of protein, plus iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, all critical for muscle cell repair and energy production. They also contain leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. Centenarians in the blue zones, areas where people regularly live past 100, eat lentils and other legumes almost daily. Their diets help preserve muscle and mobility deep into old age. Lentils are packed with prebiotic fiber that feeds healthy gut bacteria. These bacteria create compounds that improve nutrient absorption, which means the protein you eat works better. Unlike most beans, lentils don't need soaking. Red lentils cook in about 20 minutes, making them perfect for soups and stews. Pair them with rice or nuts during the day to make a complete protein. Think about how empowering it feels to know that a simple, affordable bowl of lentil soup could help you stay strong enough to carry groceries, climb stairs, and stay independent. Think about last week. Did you have a simple stew, or salad? Imagine how much stronger your body could feel if that meal also worked as muscle medicine. I know many of you grew up eating beans and lentils, but somewhere along the way they fell off the menu. This is your sign to bring them back, not just with the nostalgia, because your muscles will thank you. Each bowl of lentils isn't just a meal. It's a step towards keeping your independence. It's about climbing stairs with confidence and opening jars without asking for help. Food number 4 is so powerful, yet many seniors avoid it because of mercury fears. Canned tuna. At around $1 a can, it gives you over 20 grams of complete, highly bioavailable protein. Tuna's protein is easy to absorb and use, which is vital as digestion efficiency naturally declines with age. This means more of what you eat actually reaches your muscles. The FDA confirms that light canned tuna is safe up to 12 ounces per week. That's about 3 cans, well within a healthy range. When eaten
Tuna also delivers selenium, vitamin D, and omega-3s that calm inflammation, one of the hidden drivers of age-related muscle loss. Mix tuna with Greek yogurt, mustard, or avocado for a creamy high-protein salad, or add it to whole grain pasta for a fast dinner. Imagine turning a $1 can into a meal that fuels your strength, steadies your energy, and keeps you moving freely through the day. Do you keep canned tuna in your pantry? Yes or no? And if yes, how do you prepare it? Tell me below. You might find creative recipes from other viewers in the comments. Everything from tuna salads to quick pasta dishes. Your idea could inspire someone else to try it tonight. If you've avoided tuna because of mercury worries, let me know if today's information eased your mind. I read every comment. Food number 5 has been misunderstood for decades. Eggs. For years, seniors were told to avoid them because of cholesterol fears. But research now shows that for most people, eggs are not only safe, they're one of the most complete, affordable proteins on Earth. Each egg provides 6 grams of high-quality protein with a perfect amino acid profile, plus vitamin D, choline, and B12, nutrients that support muscle strength, brain health, and energy production. Modern studies confirm that moderate egg consumption does not raise heart disease risk for healthy individuals. In fact, the natural cholesterol in eggs is essential for hormone production, including hormones that regulate muscle growth. Eat the whole egg. Half the protein and most of the nutrients are in the yolk. Try 2 boiled eggs as a snack, or a veggie omelet cooked in olive oil for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Picture yourself starting your day with a warm plate of eggs, feeling energized, ready to move, and knowing you just gave your muscles exactly what they need to stay strong. How often do you eat eggs? Daily, weekly, or rarely? And have cholesterol fears ever kept you from eating them? Your comment could help another senior feel confident about putting eggs back on the menu. Many in this community are rediscovering eggs and noticing more strength and energy. If you've been avoiding eggs, try just adding 1 or 2 per week and see how you feel. Then come back and share your results. You might inspire someone else to do the same. Food number 6 is a powerhouse that goes beyond protein. Greek yogurt. At under $1 per serving, it gives you about 20 grams of protein plus something most supplements can't offer: live probiotics. Greek yogurt contains both whey, fast-digesting, and casein, slow-digesting protein. This means it delivers amino acids quickly, then keeps a steady stream available for hours. Perfect for seniors whose muscles respond best to slow, steady protein. Emerging research shows a healthy gut helps you absorb and actually use the protein you eat. The probiotics in Greek yogurt feed good bacteria that improve digestion and reduce inflammation, two keys to stronger muscles. Have a bowl of Greek yogurt with berries as a mid-morning or afternoon snack, or even as a light dessert after dinner. Add a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for extra protein and crunch. Think of it as a double win. You're not just feeding your muscles, you're healing your gut, so every bite of protein you eat works harder for you. Do you eat Greek yogurt regularly? Yes or no? And what's your favorite way to enjoy it? Plain, with berries, or with a drizzle of honey? Share your favorite combos below. You might give someone new ideas to make this simple food more exciting, and they might share theirs back with you. If you've never tried Greek yogurt, make it your next grocery trip experiment. Come back and tell us if it became part of your routine. Our seventh and final food is the most overlooked, yet the most cost-effective: beans. At less than $1 a pound, they deliver about 15 grams of plant protein per cooked cup. That's less than 1 cent per gram of protein, making beans one of the most economical sources on Earth. Beans are more than protein. They are loaded with magnesium, folate, potassium, and antioxidants that protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. They also contain prebiotic fiber that feeds good bacteria, helping you absorb and utilize the protein you eat. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is one of the hidden drivers of muscle loss after 60. The polyphenols and resistant starch in beans act like natural anti-inflammatories, cooling down that process and creating an environment where muscle can grow. Mix it up. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, navy beans. Each variety brings a slightly different nutrient profile. Combine beans with rice, whole grain bread, or corn tortillas throughout the day to make them a complete protein source. Imagine sitting down to a warm bowl of homemade bean soup, knowing it's not just filling your stomach, but rebuilding your strength cell by cell. Quick kitchen check. How many of these 7 foods are in your home right now? Sardines, cottage cheese, lentils, canned tuna, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans. Count them and share your score from 0 to 7 in the comments. You'll be surprised how many people in this community are starting from 0 and how many have already stocked most of them. Your score might encourage someone else to take action today. If your score is low, that's okay. Just pick one to add to your grocery list this week. Small steps now can mean big strength gains in the months ahead. Picture yourself 90 days from now. Your grip is stronger. Your legs feel steadier. You rise from a chair without pushing on the armrest. You carry groceries without stopping to catch your breath. You feel capable again. These 7 simple foods aren't just meals. They are your personal training partners. Every bite is a quiet investment in strength, balance, and independence. Think about the things you want to keep doing. Playing with grandkids, tending your garden, walking without fear of falling. That future is closer than you think if you start today. You are not at the mercy of muscle loss. Sarcopenia is not inevitable. You can fight back with choices that cost less than a cup of coffee. You might be thinking, what if I can't eat all of these foods? What if I'm lactose intolerant or don't like sardines? That's okay. You don't need all 7 to see results. Even 2 or 3 of these foods can start rebuilding your muscle strength when you eat them consistently. Choose the ones that fit your taste, budget, and lifestyle. If you have medical restrictions or digestive concerns, talk to your doctor before making changes. You can always find alternatives, for example, plant-based yogurt instead of dairy or lentils instead of fish. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every small change you make builds towards strength, confidence, and independence. Let's recap quickly so you can act today. Sardines, omega-3s that fight muscle-wasting inflammation. Cottage cheese, slow-release casein protein that works overnight. Lentils, budget-friendly plant protein with leucine to trigger muscle building. Canned tuna, high-quality, easily absorb protein with vitamin D. Eggs, nearly perfect amino acid profile plus vitamin D and choline. Greek yogurt, fast plus slow protein blend plus probiotics for better absorption. And beans are the most affordable protein with gut-friendly fiber and minerals. You don't need all 7 at once. Start with 1 or 2 this week, maybe tuna for lunch and cottage cheese before bed. Then add another food each week until you've built a strong, affordable routine. Your grocery list can be your greatest muscle-building tool. The sooner you start, the faster you'll feel the difference in your strength and energy. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please consult your doctor before making any major dietary or lifestyle changes, especially if you take medication or have a chronic condition. Welcome to Senior Club, where we share practical science-backed tips to help you stay strong, independent, and full of energy every single day. If you care about rebuilding your strength after 60, you're in the right place. These 7 foods are not fads. They are proven, affordable, and available at every grocery store. Science confirms what common sense has always known. Real food builds real strength. You are not powerless against muscle loss. Sarcopenia is not inevitable. You can fight back with choices that cost less than a cup of coffee. You might be thinking, which one of these 7 foods will I try first this week? Comment below. I'd love to hear your choice. Your comment might inspire another senior to take their first step toward strength. We are building a community of people who refuse to let aging slow them down. If this video gave you hope, tap the like button right now and type HOPE in the comments so I know you're committed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Every week we share practical, science-backed ways to keep your legs strong and your independence intact. Stay strong, stay steady, and stay confident because your best years are still ahead.